Did you know that the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world, is so big it could fit the entire United States within its sandy borders? Imagine that. Your whole country, from the bustling cities to the quiet countryside, swallowed up by a sea of sand. Our journey begins millions of years ago when the Sahara was not a desert at all, but a lush green landscape teeming with life. Picture towering trees, rushing rivers, and a sky filled with birds. Can you believe that our sandy Sahara once looked like this? But over time, the climate changed. The rain stopped falling, the rivers dried up, and the green turned to gold. The Sahara as we know it was born. But even though it may seem barren and lifeless, the Sahara is full of surprises. Did you ever think that a desert could have a lake? Well, the Sahara does. It's called Lake Chad, and it's so large that it's shared by 4 different countries. And what's more, this isn't just a lake of water, but a lake teeming with fish. That's right, in the middle of the world's hottest desert, you can find fishermen casting their nets. The Sahara is also home to a mountain range, the Atlas Mountains, where temperatures can drop below freezing. Brr, that's chilly. The Sahara is not just sand and heat. It's a place of extremes, from freezing mountaintops to scorching desert plains, from dry, sandy dunes to a lake full of life. It's a place of hidden treasures, like the ancient rock art that tells stories of a time when elephants, giraffes, and hippopotamuses roamed the land. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered that the Sahara, the world's largest hot desert, could fit the entire United States within its borders. We've journeyed back in time to when the Sahara was a green paradise full of life. We found a lake in the middle of the desert, and mountains where the temperatures can drop below freezing, and we've uncovered ancient rock art that tells us about the Sahara's past. The Sahara is not just a desert, it's a world full of surprises and stories. So next time you think of the Sahara, don't just picture a sea of sand. Think of the lake full of fish, the freezing mountains, and the stories hidden in the rocks. The Sahara is a place of wonder and extremes, a place where every dune has a story to tell.